Hello, this is Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a Bennington Pontoon. Comes with a Yacht Club bunk trailer. This boat has a newer engine. This is a 2015 Evinrude 115 horse. This boat is a 1999. Comes with a spare tire for the trailer. Seats are in very good shape. Has a table. There's a tote with lots of extras. There's two tables. You got the extra large sun pad. It's got a fish finder. And it does have a mooring cover. If you have any questions, please call Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Thank you.